Say what? Say what?
Yeah. Mixing germs in the kitchen. Whipping up a sickness, vaccinations ain't fixing. Fuck a Z-Pack, steroids, and amoxicillin. Cause my body count higher than this current pandemic. Say what? Say what? Mixing germs in the kitchen. Whipping up a sickness, vaccinations ain't fixing. Fuck a Z-Pack, steroids, and amoxicillin. Cause my body count higher than this current pandemic. It don't matter what I say. If I go against the grain, then it's automatic hate. And these same motherfuckers turn around and complain like, nowadays all these rappers sound the fucking same shit. Bitch, fuck you want from a nigga. Rest in peace, Earl Simmons, no cog to the system. My circle don't fit the square that you niggas live in. So when it come to rap shit, I am Darwinian. Survival of the fittest, strongest of the simian. Gorilla with my penmanship. Virus made to infiltrate any encryption in cryo microchip. You Microsoft, and that's word to Gates and his ex-missus. Taking out the trash and I'm soaking all the dishes. Man-made virus vaccinations ain't fixing none of this. If you want some, come and get it. But survival rate of trying me, that's a more percentage, nigga. Mixing germs in the kitchen. Whipping up a sickness, vaccinations ain't fixing. Fuck a Z-Pack, steroids, and amoxicillin. Cause my body count higher than this current pandemic. Say what? Say what? Mixing germs in the kitchen. Whipping up a sickness, vaccinations ain't fixing. Fuck a Z-Pack, steroids, and amoxicillin. Cause my body count higher than this current